So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I managed to get this text alert sent to my phone using an Amazon AWS account. This you will need to set up and get a number of details to be able to use it. And here I'm going to use a simple Python script, and that will send the message to my phone on a regular basis as I set up in Node-RED. So in today's video, I'm not going to show you how to set up an Amazon account or for the AWS, but if you put in your search box setting up an Amazon AWS account, you'll find the first link will be brought to you here, and this will take you to their page. Now, I do use a paid service because I want to have text messages sent to me, so it's not a free account, but it's worth having. So it's worth looking at a couple of videos to show you how to get the 2 keys that you will require to put into your Python script to be able to send text messages. So here I'm in Thonny on the Raspberry Pi, and here you can see the lines of code that I require to be able to send these text messages. We need to import the OS, which is straightforward, and we need to install Ubuntu 3 onto the Raspberry Pi, and I'll show that in a few minutes. Then we have a number of lines of code. Now here you can see we've got a client equals ubuntu3.client. Then we have to tell it it's an SNS, and it's an AWS access key ID. Now you would have to put your access key in here. Then we've got a comma, an AWS secret access key, and that equals whatever your secret access key is. Then a comma, and then we have a region name, and in my case I use EU-West1, which is for Ireland. Then we have a client.publish, and we have a phone number. Now you add your mobile number here and use, if it's in the UK, a +44, and then the message you want to send that, and then the message you want to send to that mobile phone you put in here. Now this can be fancier if you wanted to send temperatures or something else, but at the moment this is just for heartbeats. You will then need to save the file and give it a .py file extension. So here you can see I've started a terminal window. This is the install that you need to do. So it's pip3 install Ubuntu 3. Press enter. This might take a few seconds while it looks into it. Now because I've already got it installed, it's gone through it very quickly, but on yours it will take a little bit of time. And then that's that done. Then here you can see in Node-RED I've got an inject node, and I've got this execute node which is down here. So what I want it to do is I want it to send the messages, and in my case I'm just using the timestamp as a payload, and then down here I want it to have 1915 on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday through each day of the week. So that's the inject node, and then in the execute node all I've got here, this is the location on my Raspberry Pi to the .py file that I want it to run. So I need to put that in here, and then in this box here we just, when the command is complete, execute mode. Now that will automatically run that script for me at them times, and that's how easy it is to get a heartbeat put into place. Hopefully this video helps you if that's something you would like to do. As I say, the text messages are costing me, I think it's something like 1 cent a text message. You can add a limit to the amount of money you want to spend, but it's well worth looking at other YouTube videos to show you how to set up the Amazon account, and as I say, for me it's worked out perfectly. Anyway, thank you for watching.